Previously on Mortal Kombat X story mode.
Hurting her.
Yep, Johnny Cage is officially right. Come on. There we go. Yep, there we go. Boom! Wits. Alright, yeah, come on. We should be able to do this. This is like our third attempt. Wits. Calm you down with my x-ray. Jeez. Gosh. Yes, finally. Johnny Cage. Wits. I don't know why it was so hard. Now on to Chapter 2.
Raiden told me later that I'm descended from some Mediterranean war cult. Bred as warriors for the gods. I've never been able to resummon that green halo. Raiden thinks it was triggered when I saw a loved one about to die. How about...
What's going on, everybody? I am the Game Master. Welcome back to Mortal Kombat X Story Mode, where in this episode we'll be taking on Chapter 2, Kotal, Kahn. Here we go. Chapter 2, Kotal, Kahn. I'm sorry, it took like a few... on my second try recording, we had a bit of difficulties, but don't worry. I restarted the game, and so we shouldn't have any difficulties now.
Emperor. What's the expression? It's not worth a dirt on my shoe.
Kotal Kahn has always bargained with you fairly, you know.
Sure. I'm just saying. Upgraded weapons, more intel, and poof. The long outworld civil war. Done. Might be nice to kick back a bit, eh?
You know Melina's location.
And a whole rebel army. It's gotta be worth at least 50.
I must attack her immediately. End this conflict. As you say, it drains us.
Right. Do we have a deal?
What is it, Devora?
The Emperor should not be concerned. Accident ahead. This one will clear it.
Yep, as the word says it, this one will clear it.
Make way for Kotal Kahn. Move!
Her voice and everything, it sounds like a greasy guy saying that.
We await
That.
your order. It is...
Make way for Kotal Kahn. Move!
Here is Tanya.
Stopping a carriage is nothing. Killing an emperor
False Emperor.
requires power. Power you have, Melina, and won't use.
It pains me to use it, Rain. I need more time. The usurper's excursion came too soon.
The rain falls when it may.
No
Melina.
matter. If Kano does...
I really wish you were never added in the Mortal Kombat franchise, but I will be playing you. If you guys want me to make a Mortal... Let me just pause real quick. If you guys want me to make a Mortal Kombat single fight mode playthrough with Melina, let me know in the comments, because the only costume I'm willing to play her in is her tournament costume. I mean, I know, she looks fine on Costume, but I gotta play Mortal Kombat X Mobile, which this game was on also. But I already tried downloading on my phone, it didn't work, so yeah. Khan's like, I'm bored. Oh, the Tarkans are back. Oh my gosh. Yeah, kill him, Devora. And here's what the coolest part is in the story mode, that Devora has a chapter, in her chapter, she can actually kill Melina in this story mode. That's really great about the story mode here. Because I officially do not like Melina one bit. I hope she dies in the story mode. when we get to Kotal's chapter. Alright, here we go. Yep, okay, enter. Enter again. Okay, yep. Oh, what? Ah, dang it. Okay, enter. Again. Again! Again! Oh. Oh, an X-ray move. That was sick. What now? P. Force field. That make sure you don't get that lasered. Oh. Oh, his eye! Holy crap! His right eye. Holy crap! Escape. Come outside with me, Kano! Ugh. Sure did one, yo. This was one of his knives.
Keep your 50 million. Melina's given me twice that to take you out.
Alright. Good, no lags in it this time. Oh, that's actually kind of good. Come on. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, this shouldn't be difficult as last time when we did with Johnny Cage's chapter. That was like freaking like 2 tries. Well, I'll actually make that. I think they make that 3 tries or something. I don't know. Get ready for this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was done. Woo! Like 63 minutes. Kotal Kahn wins. Let's get it. And it looks like we are the sun god. Uh-oh. Wow, Kane's like throwing knives at me. Holy crap. Okay. No. How about if you just... Dude! Uppercut him! Oh my gosh. Come on, uppercut. Yes. Uh-oh. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. Hang on, wait. I'll grab him. I cannot believe you get to play as the Emperor Kotal Kahn. No. Oh, Kano wins. Dang it. I almost had that. Why are you hitting yourself? Oh, what the break? Come on. Oh my gosh. Yes, come on. Oh, come on. Oh god. Ugh. Oh yeah, I dodged one of your knives. How do you feel about that? Oh crap. Dude, extra time. Oh yeah. And the knife. Calm you down with my X-ray on the 3rd round. Alright, he's almost done. Let's just try to hit him. Yes. Kotal Kahn wins. Let's get it. That was close.
You're not worth the dirt on my shoe.
You are not worth the dust on my shoe. Or did you say dirt or dust? I don't know. He's about to kill Kano right now for Sonya. Which makes sense, because Sonya and Kano are enemies anyway. Tanya! Another one of my favorite characters! In this game! But it's not really corrupted, though.
You are the Edenian, Tanya.
I'm pleased you remember me, Kotal.
Kotal.
We'll never forget those who freed Melina.
He knows that Melina was freed?
Free Edenia, something you refused to do.
A united Outworld stands strong against its enemies.
It will never be united under your rule.
Your rebellion is all that prevents it.
Yeah, you heard him. Uh-oh. Here we go. Uh-oh. Whoa. Hey, relax, Tanya. I'm just getting in. Oh, okay. Honestly, with her not corrupted like this, I can actually see that she has Kahn Sprite right here. Oh. Come on. Yes. Oh, what the freak? Come on. Yes, there we go. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh. Come on, it's almost dead, it's almost dead. Come on, hit her, hit her. Oh, come on. Extra time. Oh, yes! I was almost dead, but then I finished her off. Let's go! Kotal Kahn wins. This might be a full playthrough through chapter 2. Come on. Come on. Come on. What the freak? Come on. Come on. Dude. I'm trying to hit her. She just gets through the same move. You can't do that. That's cheating. Cheating. Okay, so she's just going to be cheating on me? Oh. My gosh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yep. Tanya wins. Gosh dang it. She just stopped when... Hey, what? That was weird. Okay, yep, come on. Uh-oh. Come on. Let me hit you. Yes. Here, wait, hang on a sec. Oh, crap. Come on, I need to calm you down real quick. You seem to be... Oh, what the frig? That's cheating! You can't do that! Okay, well, it looks like if I punch her up in the air, I can do an uppercut up in midair too. Oh, that's a zig! Okay, hang on. Ugh. Oh, crap. Ugh. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Come on. Come on. No! Tanya wins. Gosh dang it! She just doesn't want to stop today.
Is all that prevents it.
Alright, here we go. Rematch. Okay, yep. Oh, yes. I didn't even know I could do this. Okay, that's sick. Oh, yeah. Does a lot more damage. We're doing the same combo on me? I'm gonna do the same combo on you! Kotal Kahn wins. Got it. Got it. Oh, shoot. Come on. Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, my gosh. Come on. Spoiling your injury. Just come the breakdown. Yeah. Wrecked. Uh-oh. Oh, gosh. Ugh. Oh, what the frig? Kotal Kahn wins. Let's go! Second shot. Holy crap.
You are a fool to trust Melina.
He has a point. Wow! Yeah, they're going really fast. Oh, he sees Melina and Rain.
She tasks me for the last time.
Oh, nice! You can teleport like fire. That's sick.
Kano was to kill you, miserable snake. Brunate!
Brunate! Oh, that Darkon's leg's missing. Oh, wow! Holy crap. Nope! You're dead, Melina. I don't even care for you anymore. I don't even like you anyway. Oh, yeah! Take you down.
Another Adenian, the supposed half-god. Kombat here! I am a son of Argus. I was not merely declared a god by these little commoners, Bullock.
Rain. For Mortal Kombat Conquest?
Surely Melina suspects your true intentions, son of Argus.
Wait, he works for Melina? I thought he works for Lin Kuei. Oh my gosh!
My intentions are to teach you the difference between pretension and godhood.
Okay, whatever he just said. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, come on, come on. Oh my gosh. This is like my first time fighting with Rain. You know what would be cool? If they like added Rain to the DLC of this game when they first made this? Oh yeah! Oh, what the? Gosh dang it. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my. What? Even the combo. Oh, what the freak? Did I automatically teleport like that? Uh-oh. Guys, I'm low on health. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no! Rain wins. Gosh dang it. I almost had it. Oh my gosh. Come on. Dude, I can't even hit him! Thank goodness. Come on. Come on. Let's want my x-ray back so I can calm you down. If you look me. Oh my god! Calm it down! Give me a chance. Jeez, he's not even trying. This guy's not tripping for anything, man. Oh my gosh. X-ray time. It's X-ray time. Come on. X-ray. X-ray. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. That was right. The last second. Come on. That has to do enough damage. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Get it. Kotal Kahn wins. Oh my gosh. Thank goodness. Uh-oh. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Come on, throw this light at him. Or whatever. Come on! Hit him! Yes. Kotal Kahn wins. Let's get it! Whew!
That should silence you.
Yeah, it should. If you tried to kill me in water does come down fire. He gave the signal to Aaron Black saying, yep, kill him.
You won't touch him again.
Oh yeah, Aaron Black has that point. I'm with my man. Oh my god, on the neck! I sit down and she goes jags. Oh!
But I will.
Malina? Really? Melina?
As the heir to my father, Shao
He was
Kahn,
almost dead.
I, Melina, Khanum of Outworld, order your execution.
You order my execution. Well, you're not gonna take my execution. Or I'm not even. Or wait, what? The frick am I saying? I'm not even gonna give you my execution. Oh yeah, come on. Uh-oh. Oh, what the frig? Come on. Yes, there we go. Yes. Come on, almost done. Almost done. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, what the heck? Come on. Oh yes. Oh, what the name? Come on! How do they expect it to be? Man, I need my X-ray cooler to calm her. Oh yes! Kotal Kahn wins. I used the iron the last second destroyer. Come on. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Ah, what? She had block trigger on me? Okay, that's fine. Then I'll just do this to you. Oh, what the freak? Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Kotal Kahn wins. You're dead, Melina. Dead to me.
There will be an execution this day. You will atone for your descent, Melina. Your blood will make right. Up the stair path. Through the fire.
Oh, what? It like, okay, I don't even know why he keeps talking like that. Oh my god! Wow, Melina almost turned into an assassin! Holy crap, that was sick. That was a freaking sick part right there. So half of her hands turned to fire. Kotal Kahn's back to calm.
Proceed.
A mere cub, grown to be a jaguar.
Alright guys, we're going to take on Sub-Zero's chapter, which is chapter 3 of course, in the next video. But, yeah, but anyway guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, on this video. And yeah, we'll continue Sub-Zero's chapter in the next video. But look, anyway guys, please leave a like on this video. Make sure to subscribe to me so that you can follow me for more games like this. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, and I'm out.